Okay, we're happy to announce a few new additions to our software. PC Video Conference now has a whiteboard module activated. So if you're in moderator mode now, you can activate the whiteboard. You can draw on the whiteboard, symbols, text, and these symbols and text will show through to the guest room. So to activate it, we just click on the whiteboard tab. You can see here there's a number of options available. If we were to draw a square here, we click on square. We can decide on the color, the fill, the thickness of the line, as such, circles, and of course I mentioned text. So we have different fonts, different sizes, different colors. So let's select the green, and we can type in whiteboard for argument's sake, or anything else we wanted. Yippee. No. So that's the whiteboard, and to see how that looks in the guest room, let's just cross over to the guest room, because you can activate it as a moderator. And there's the guest room. You can see what we've just produced and published. It shows in the guest room. If I close that, you'll be able to see who this guest is. In this case, it's Kira. You can see myself, Anthony Hosking, as the moderator. The M there does stand for moderator. So the guests in your room list know who the moderators happen to be. There can be multiple moderators in the room. So going back to the moderator room, which has all the features available. I think you've got the gist there of the whiteboard. It's just a very quick presentation on that. We've also added a voting module. So you can create a poll, and let's ask the poll question. Do you like ice cream? And down in this section here, you put the variables, so it might be no, yes, always, etc. You decide. We generate the poll by clicking the link here, create new poll. The poll will be showing in their room. I'll just expand that particular screen by clicking there. There you have it. The guest sees the question. So in my case anyway, I love ice cream, so yes, I click yes, vote now. That goes back to reports back to the system where the moderator can see that the results. So let's click on poll results. Okay, so in this case we can see the guest has voted yes, and that appears, the results appears in the moderator's room. One vote for yes, and of course if there were many people in the room, you'd have different variables showing here. To stop the poll, we click stop the poll, and we can revert to any other feature that we wish to now pull up. Yes, I recall we've added a feature for a moderator. So Kira here in this example is a guest within the room on the moderator. I mentioned that before with the M. If you click on this symbol here, it says buzz user Kira. So if I was to click on that and wanting Kira's attention, she hears an audible buzz her end. If she has the room minimized or is doing another activity nearby the computer, she'll hear the audible noise. The star, that allows the moderator to temporarily pass moderator positions to that particular permissions to that guest in the room, so therefore that guest has full control and can do the presentation. And this last symbol here just indicates the status of that individual. They're online or they're away, they're on the telephone. They can change their status so that the moderator knows what's going on. Likewise, I can do that down here on the moderator. If I click on this, I can change that to I'm away, and everybody in the room can see that I'm away. Well, I think that's it, folks. So that's the latest update for July 2010. As always, I thank our customers and invite new customers to take our 14-day trial. There's no obligation, there's no contracts, and it's a monthly payment system, so you can use the room for a month or for the next 12 months. Nevertheless, we welcome you to take a trial, a 14-day trial. There's no obligation. Thank you very much for listening. I'm Anthony Hosking, CEO of PCVideoconference.com.